Good morning. It is a beautiful day. The auction is today, so we're gonna do some auction things. But first, I gotta head home and I gotta grab a coffee. So let's go. Let's go get some coffee. And we got it bumpy out here. Grab a coffee, head home, and we should be in the auction. Give us a couple hours to mess around. So I'm good with that. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go. Oh, they made that good today. To the road. That's good stuff, man. Gonna be a good day today, I have a feeling. And you know what, this auction, the best thing about it is I'm going home happy either way. I either got all my money or I got an excavator, so that's good. That's a win in my books. I just love going to these things, man. They're fun. Get your adrenaline going. Man, there's a guy back there mowing his lawn, and I love the smell, the fresh cut grass. That just makes me want to venture out to do lawn care, man. Like, man, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. The roads here are not fit, I'll tell you that. I want to try out this new cup holder. There's a cup holder here. Oh, that works nice. That works really nice. All right. Those cup holders are sick. As long as it doesn't break. I don't know how strong that thing is. I got some weight in it. Exhaust brake works great. So it's right down, right into the 60 zone. Got a little bit of garbage in the road by the looks of it. Not good. Raccoons was in it. If I had time, I'd stop. But we got to keep on moving. You gotta love an exhaust brake, man. It just saves so much wear and tear on your brakes. A little foggy on the coast. It's not as nice. It's a beautiful day inland anyways. All right, guys, we switched over to the car. We are on our way over to the auction now. It's about a 2-hour drive. By the time we get there, we're gonna have around 3 hours to look around. So I'm really excited. I forgot my head strap, so the video is gonna be really bad, but I'm gonna try operate these excavators while I'm recording. I really don't know how I'm gonna do that, but we'll figure it out. I'm pretty excited. These machines look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But there's some other pieces of equipment I wanna look at as well besides the excavators, and I'm not sure if I'll show those or not, but all right, I'll see you guys there. Not sure what I'll be able to record, but if I don't record anything, I'll talk to you later this afternoon with an update. So that's about it. All right, we are at the auction looking at these excavators, and they're looking pretty good. They all look like decent machines. Let's see here. This one fired right up. This one is pretty nice. What number is it? That one's pretty good. These other ones up here. This is the... They're all pretty good. They are all good. These are pretty nice. This one here. Pretty good. It's a little rocky on the pallet, but it's not bad. Here, AGT. This is a 14. No battery. Oh well, we'll keep looking. We have another Hino here. Deja Vu. From when I got mine. This one got the ABS all tore out of it though. They say it runs. Oh, let's see if it runs as good as mine. It does not. Not good. Nope. Nope, battery shut off. Does not work. This doesn't look good. Uh-oh. Alright guys, we are on our way back from the auction.
we looked at the excavators. They look really good, I'm not gonna lie. I think it'd be a great asset to have one of those, so I'm definitely bidding on them. They're all about the same. There's people complaining about the pilot controls versus the ones in front of you and stuff. Like, honestly, if you run equipment enough, you're not going to notice that big of a difference. You'll be able to feather the controls to a point where they'll seem pretty similar. For me, honestly, some of the better ones were the straight hydraulic controls. They seem to work good for me. The only benefit in my eyes of having the pilot controls is comfort, because they're beside you instead of in front of you. That's about the only difference I've seen. I couldn't really get a good video on the excavators while I was there. It was kind of hard. There's 1,000 videos online anyways that you can look at, but yeah, basically what I saw is that it's worth the investment. I'll obviously be looking at purchasing one, and if I don't buy one, I'll still be happy, because that means I got my money. So either way, it's a win-win. And if I don't get one this time, I definitely will next time, 100%, because I know what to save for, and I have a better idea of what I would spend on one now, and it's a lot more than I have allocated to it now. So I'm not sure if you can understand what I'm saying or not. I'm trying to focus on driving, but that's the gist of it. Anyway, the auction's not for 3 days, so I guess you'll see another video if I buy it, and if I don't, the next video will probably be using one of my old pieces of equipment to dig up a patio project. So that's about what we got. That's about what we got going on. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I will catch you on the next one, and make sure to like and subscribe. We got to get those likes and subscribers up. Help more people reach the channel, and you know, hopefully it's entertaining. But anyways, I'm gonna focus on getting home.